Hello, my name is Lotfi, and today I will be teaching you about a very important and a basic verb in the English language. And I think this is really good if it's the first verb you ever learn in English, or if you have learned English before and are reviewing your lessons. Today I will help you to do both. And I also think that you may say to yourself like, this is easy, I don't need it. But guess what? I'm really surprised the number of people who are good speakers, but they still make mistakes with the verb to be. So today I will help you to learn it or to review it. Now what I'm going to do is to teach you the positive, the negative, and the question form. So the first thing we need to do is to go through the positive. So in English we say, I am. I am. Or we can also say or write I'm. It's the same thing. Now with he, and this is a man or a boy, she, who is a girl or a woman, and it, we use is. Now it is a singular noun. That means one of something that is not a person. For example, my marker. I can say it is blue. When we say he is, she is, and it is, we can shorten them and we can say instead he is, she is, and it's. Again, these are shortened versions. When we use you, we, and they, we have to use are. So you is you, we includes myself and another person, because we is a plural, so there's always at least two people. They is also for plural, for people. It means more than one person who's not yourself. For example, I can say they like pizza. The other meaning we use for they, I told you that it is used for singular noun or singular thing. We can also use they for plural nouns. So if a noun is plural, it's going to have an S on the end. So I told you before, it is blue for one marker. Magic, I have two. Now I can say they are blue markers. So one is it, two or more is they. And we can also break these down and make them shorter, and we can say for you are, we can say your, we are, we can say we're, they are, we can say their. Okay, so now we move to the negative form. For the negative is so easy, and all you have to do is to add one word, just one word, not. So you add not to every other pronoun. So it's basically this very easy. So I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, we are not, they are not. All the way down, not, not, not. So you have the negative form. So that's it. So all you have to do is just add not after the verb to be. And also very easy to make them short. All you have to do is to follow these. So for the first one, I am not, you can say I'm not. And the second one, he is not, you can say he isn't, or you can say she's not. The same thing. And the last ones, so you are not, you can say you're not, or you aren't. They are not, or they aren't. Very easy. And now we have moved to the last section, which is the question form. So it's basically how you ask a question with the verb to be. And this is very easy. And all you have to do is to switch between the pronoun and the verb to be. So it's gonna be the verb to be first and then the pronoun. So for the first one, it's going to be am I, and then is she, is he, is it, and then are we, are you, and then are they. It's very simple. And then the question mark at the end. Very important. So that's it, guys. Very simple and very easy. And this is for the first verb in English. And yeah, so I hope you understood the lesson. So for that matter, I will, put a link in the description below. So if you click, it takes you to a blog where you find an exercise designed for this lesson. So you find like 5 questions, try to answer each one of them, and then you get your score. And how whether you could answer the question or not, just tell me in the description, tell me in the comments, and also suggest for me what type of lessons you want to see in the future, and then I'll try to do my best to provide that for you. So thank you, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, hit share, and also like the video for more content. So thank you so much, and see you in the next time.